I have a very honest question to you. Honest, straight question to you. I have come for a business deal. Business deal. You have 2,510 houses, 6,424 votes in this premises. Your major problem is you want a CSI which has been a part of this apartment to be handed over to you. Am I right? Yes. This is the main. Number 2 is Kaveri water. Fully Kaveri water to give more water. Then all others are Puteri Lake issue is all small issue. I know that. These 2 issues. If I get this done, what you are going to give to me? Simple. Say, because your booth is here only. Where? Nagar School. Anyway, it is here. Every booth, it has a Cambridge. Every booth is been counted. In 2 or 3 booths, all your votes are there. So we are only about some 250 people are here. And all youngsters are out. It is you don't play, your children play. Their children play. You have not got it. Even you had a court or judgment also, they are not given to you. Am I right? Huh? Some PL was there. It is not. Just now after sitting here, I spoke to my commissioner, my UD secretary. This is the problem I am standing here. What has to be done? Anyway, where there is a will, there is a way. I believe in sharing and caring. So you have to share your confidence with me so that I will care for you, whatever the problem is there. You have voted earlier, I saw the booth. You have not voted my candidate. You have not voted my candidate. So if you have voted this vote, I am a deputy CM now. I am the Minister for PDA, I am the Minister for Corporation, I am the Minister for BWSSB, I am the Minister for Bangalore, I am the Minister for Water. Lakes, everything I am there. So everything is in your pocket. And anything you will hand. You can't meet a Deputy Chief Minister again. He has come to your house. You have not come to my house. I have come to your house. How you will utilize me is yours. See, what has happened yesterday is history. Tomorrow will be past. But today is in your hand. I am in your hand. You make use of me. You assure me. You vote me. Within 2-3 months, I will see that this has been handed over to you. I am telling you. Otherwise, you don't come and ask for me. I will not run out.